Hi, welcome to another edition of Rocky Mountain Kitchen. Today we're going to make garlic parmesan stuffed mushrooms. Come on, let's get started. Okay, real quick, let's go over the ingredients for this. We're going to be using 8 ounces of mushrooms, about a tablespoon of canola oil, some minced garlic, more like probably about 2 tablespoons, a little bit of salt and pepper, 8 ounces of cream cheese, about 1/4 of a cup of Italian breadcrumbs, about 1/2 a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and about 2 tablespoons or so of chopped parsley. Alright, let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to want to do is just cut the stems off of each mushroom like this. The next thing we want to do is take the stems and chop them up real fine. Okay, at this point you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And we've already put in 2 tablespoons of canola oil on the stove under medium-high heat. Now we're going to want to put the chopped mushroom stems in the oil. The garlic in the oil. And the salt and pepper, which I've already ground out. And you want to cook this for 6 to 8 minutes. Okay, after you've cooked this for 6 to 8 minutes, you want to put this in a bowl. Okay, in a medium bowl, we're going to want to combine the cooked garlic and mushroom stems with the cream cheese, which is 1 package, 8 ounces. Half the Parmesan cheese, which is about 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of Italian breadcrumbs. Parsley, salt, and pepper. Next, we'll want to top the mushrooms with the cream cheese mixture. Next, we'll want to take the other half of the Parmesan cheese and top each capped mushroom with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Next, we're going to go ahead and put them in the preheated oven, and we're going to leave them in here for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take them out of the oven, sprinkle with some parsley, and enjoy. Alright, thank you for watching this week's edition of Rocky Mountain Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed the program, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next week. Take care.